So, go to sir. This is my explanation about The Old Guitarist by Pablo Picasso. First is, how does Picasso's personal grief influence the mood and subject of the painting? The Old Guitarist was painted during one of the saddest times in Picasso's life, right after the death of his close friend Carlos Casagemas. This loss led Picasso into what's known as his blue period, when he used mostly shades of blue to show feelings of sorrow and loneliness. It reflects that grief has been fragile and isolated, just like Picasso felt inside. The cold blue tones create a cold, mournful mood, while the warm brown of the guitar stands out as the only bit of hope. It symbolizes how even pain, art, and music can bring comfort. Through this painting, Picasso turned in his personal sadness into something deeply human and emotional. The second is, what clothes in the artwork reflect the socio-political condition of early 90s Spain. When Picasso painted The Old Guitarist in 1903, Spain was struggling with poverty and social inequality. Many people were poor and forgotten, and Picasso saw this suffering all around him. The old blind man in the painting reflects the reality his then body, torn clothes, and lonely posture show the hardship of ordinary people at the time. The cold blue tones make the scenes feel bleak and hopeless, like the world around him offered no comfort. Through this image, Picasso wasn't just expressing sadness, he was showing the deep struggles of early 90s Spain, turning social pain into a powerful work of art. The last one is, why is this painting a strong example of the context plane in art analysis? Art analysis, the contextual plane means understanding how an artwork is connected to the artist's life and the world they lived in. The Old Guitarist is a perfect example of this idea. It's not just a picture of an old man playing a guitar. It reflects Picasso's deep grief after the death of his friends and poverty that surrounded him in early 90s Spain. The cold blue colors and the lonely figure capture both his personal sadness and the struggle of society at the time. When we see the painting through its context, we understand it's not just an image, but as a story, emotion, hardship, and the power of art express human experience. And that's all, sir.